Hey all, and welcome to another quick help video, and we are on our I-series AcuSense NVR still, and I'm going to show you three different methods to add an IP camera to our network recorder. Okay, so method one is a simple one. I'm going to plug a cable into the back, connect it to a camera. That's how most cameras will be connected, nice and easy. And I'm going to do that right now because it takes a minute to load, so that's plugged in. And now we also have two cameras on the network. So one camera is a brand new camera we've added to the network, and another one is an existing camera we have on our network. So the way that works is we have the cameras connected to a PoE switch, and that PoE switch powers the cameras, and then that switch is connected to our internet router. So it's the same router that our NVR is connected to, so they can all communicate and find each other. Okay guys, so it's a very common method to add cameras to an NVR system using a PoE switch. It makes things very easy. So let's show you how to do that. So we go to camera at the top here, and then we go to PoE settings on the left. As you can see in channel 1, it says connected and it's transferring a little bit of power. That means the camera's loading up. But for now, we're going to go to PoE binding configuration. So to add a camera from the network onto your NVR, you need to disable the PoE from the NVR. So we're going to disable it there on channels 2 and 3. Okay. Now we go back to IP camera. Okay, so we've got two ports here, free. Now let's see what's on the network. Let's see what it finds. So, it's found two cameras on the network, exactly what we want to see. So first of all, we're going to activate this inactive camera, okay? Inactive means brand new camera. Oh, you see camera 1's just turned up. Okay, but we're going to activate this inactive camera. So we click on the camera and then we click on activate. Okay, we're going to use the NVR password, so we just click on use IP camera activation password, which was CCTV 12345, and we go okay. Now it's active. Now all we have to do is click on the camera and go add. Alright, boom, the camera's up. Okay, so now you think we'll do the same on the other one. Let's see what happens if we do the same on the other one. Remember guys, I said the password was not the same one. So let's see what happens. The username or password is invalid. Okay, so that means we definitely have a password issue here. We click on the edit button, we go to password, now we put in the actual password of the cameras. SSR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on OK. So if we use the channel default password, it's not going to work, guys. All right. So then we click on OK, and then the camera comes up. All right. So like we said, we never advise you guys to change and mix up the passwords, but this is just showing you some different methods, just in case you have to do it that way. Okay. Sometimes the camera's going to be a bit slow. It'll come up. All right. It's probably still activating that camera, but yeah, as you see, we've got three cameras all added through the different methods. I failed to get channel parameters. What's going on here? Okay, like I said, it was still loading up, guys. All right, so one camera, two cameras, and three cameras. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. And now I hope you guys can add a camera to your system quite easily. And if you did like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and maybe even subscribe. It will be great. So thanks for watching. Catch you in another one, hopefully, and goodbye. Cheers.